make this mistake with a few or few. They are different.
A little, a little.
A little or little, yes. They are different, okay? You cannot differentiate?
Yes. I cannot identify it.
Yeah. So this is a good one. I'll even send you this. I'll even send this in the group. You have all these tables here. You just come and take, okay? This one, I think it's particularly useful. So I'll send it to you. But all of these are important. You should study them, okay? Let's see, much and many. Why? Much we use for uncountable, remember? Much money, much water, much sugar, much salt, water. What else? Sand. Much sand.
Coconut.
Okay. Much air.
Much sugar.
Rice, fire, wind, these elements. Yeah, okay. And many things we count, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see, much or many in negative sentences and questions. There isn't much coffee in the jar. Okay, negative, no, isn't. Or question, were there many people at the party? You see this there. You see this there. We just discussed about the there. There are many people at the party. Okay, look at this for a moment. Yeah. So we have there are. There are many people at the party. Okay? Now how do I make this as a question? Are there many people at the party? Yes. Now you can also use a question word, one of those question words. Let's say you want to ask how many? You want to know a number. How many people are there at the party? Or let's say you want to know what type of people. How do I ask? What, for example, kind of people are there at the party? You see? You see, are there. And, okay, enough. No? We use many negative sentences. We use many before plural countable nouns. Here, many people. Much before uncountable nouns. So much coffee. Much coffee. How much, how many? Okay, also following the same principle. How many books, how much coffee? How much is it? When you're asking for the price, how much is it? How much are the trousers? Okay, that you're asking for the money, okay? To ask about the price. Now, a lot or a lot of. Both countable and uncountable, we can use a lot of something, right? A lot of coffee and a lot of books.
Yes.
Okay. A lot of sugar, a lot of wind. Yeah, you can use a lot with both types, right? Usually in positive sentences. She spends a lot of time watching TV. She spends a lot of time watching. Positive means affirmative. Affirmative. We had lots of good moments together. We had lots of good moments together. Lots. Sometimes a lot or just lots. You see, lots or a lot.
I think the first time I think we had lost.
No. Lots.
Really close to
Yeah, I think they are used interchangeably. Some other verbs here that have no past. Beware. Ah, nice. Yeah, defective and archaic. Ought. Yeah. Doesn't have distinct past. Cut, put, hit. Yeah, they have technically no past, right? We use the same.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are called defective verbs. Nice. Now I want Grok to tell us is a lot of and lots interchangeable. Yes, they're often interchangeable. They both mean a large amount or many. There is a subtle difference in tone for melody, usage. I have a lot of friends, I have lots of friends. You see, it's the same. There is a lot of noise, there is lots of noise. It's also the same. Lots of noise, okay? Key differences, let's see. For melody, a lot of is slightly more formal. So in writing, you will see it more often. A lot of. Lots is more conversational, okay? Casual writing, lots. A little more, informal, lots. So lots is a bit more emphatic, enthusiastic. Enthusiastic, you understand? Enthusiasm. You know this word, enthusiasm? No? Enthusiasm. It's enthusiasm when you're like excited and happy about something. Intense and eager enjoyment, interest or approval. Enthusiasm. Yeah. And there is this interesting word, enthusiast. Is a person who is very interested in a particular topic, you see? Enthusiast. You can say, for example, I'm a Dhamma enthusiast. Something like that. Enthusiast. Hooray.
Interested.
Yeah, like interested, but a bit more like. Yeah, when you have a lot, you normally have of, a lot of, okay? You use this preposition of. And then lots is by itself. That's another difference. Sometimes you can say lots of something. As okay. When they're not interchangeable, okay. In fixed expression, when you have a lot without of, then you cannot just say lots. Okay? For example, I like her a lot. I like her a lot. Very much. So you cannot say I like her lots. Okay, so it's slightly different here, okay? I like her a lot, not lots, okay? In writing, let's see, in formal writing, both of them are not the best, not ideal. Many, much, or numerous is better, okay? Numerous. Numerous means many. Numerous. Numerous. Okay? So a lot and lots is a bit informal. So if you're writing an essay or things like that, then it's better to use like many, much, or numerous. Several, or something like that. Okay? Do you want this? I'll send you Grok's answer. Numerous. 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 Okay, let's finish. This lesson is a little long. Can I finish it? Can I finish this lesson? Before both countable and countable, okay. quite a lot to talk about a medium quantity. With my new job, I have quite a lot of free time. It's medium quantity, actually doesn't mean so much. Quite a lot, it's a good amount.
Yeah, good amount.
Yeah. Sometimes in negative sentences, I see, do you eat a lot of sugar? I don't read a lot of book. Okay. Let's say of before noun. We must always use a lot of before a noun. How many beers did you have? I don't know. I had a lot. I like her a lot. You see, this is different. We can use a lot without of at the end of a sentence or in short answers. I like her a lot. The same example. Grok gave the same example. How much coffee did you have? A lot. You can just say a lot. Okay, then you just say a lot of. You don't say of. Okay? A few and a little. A few for countable. A little for uncountable. This is a common mistake, right? A few and a little and little. A few and a little, let's see. A few before a plural countable noun. Okay. A few. I have to do a few things this afternoon. So things is plural countable. See? So a few things. Okay? You see, normally we use a for a single thing, right? As an article. A few things. Here it's different, you see? Normally a is used for indefinite, singular nouns, right? A as the article, right? A. But here we have for something plural because actually a is kind of following few, a few, right? So a little different here. A few things. And then with little, we use a little before uncountable nouns. Okay? A little before uncountable nouns. So milk is uncountable, right? So I always put a little milk in my tea. A little milk. A little water. Okay? Not a few milk. No? I think, yeah. Not many, not much. We can also use not many plus plural countable or not much plus uncountable. Okay, not many. Okay, it's the same as before. We just put not before, right? Many things. I don't have to do many things. I don't put much milk. Okay, this is okay. Zero quantity. There is nothing, right? Then you can use no of something. I have no time. Remember I taught you this last semester? I have no time. Yeah, it sounds like a positive, but then you add the negative here. Okay? What other ways could I say the same? I have no time today. Can you say it in another way? I have no idea? No. How can you say the same sentence in another way? I haven't got. Okay, you can use haven't got. I haven't got time today. I haven't got time today. But you can also use don't. I don't have time today. Okay? Then in America, you know, African Americans, when they came, so they have their own dialect, their own way of talking a little bit. And they tend to say double negatives. Double negatives. So they may say, I don't have no time. Something like that. I don't have no time. Don't and no, two negatives, okay? Normally we consider this not the standard, but in their dialect, in their African American English, they do say this. So you may hear that when you're listening to black speakers, especially Americans. I'm not sure about British. Black British.
Free time.
Huh?
I don't have no freedom.
Yeah, I don't have no time. Something like that. This is quite like...
It is still negative.
Huh? Yeah, it's still negative, but double negative. But their meaning is negative. Because technically we think if there is double negative, it becomes positive. Yes. But in their sense, it's actually negative. Okay? It's more like emphasis, or I don't know, it's the way they developed. I don't have no time.
That means you have free time.
I don't have no time. This means you have no time. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't have any time. So no time or any time, right? Not any or no. Okay. In short answers you use none. How much time do you have? None. Yes, sometimes you use none, right? None of the above. None. Okay?
No.
Huh?
No.
Not known. It's none.
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 Like the N-U-N.
Yes, like N-U-N. Same pronunciation.
None.
None. Okay?
None. None.
Sankicha, what did I say?
None.
Huh?
None.
Okay.